Here's a shorter video of the Sanyo M9994. Playing a tape outside on the bench. I'll just play one song and that's it. This one. This is called Pluck and Play. You can get this off of YouTube, Google Music Library. I mentioned the radio, well, yeah. And it's in stereo. Oh yeah. That really is being played on batteries. In their batteries, 1.5 volt and all that. Okay. Oh yeah. So much for that. And did I mention the radio works? That helped. That's an FM out here, or AM out here somewhere, right? What the heck happened there? I don't know what that is. Okay, here, let's put it FM. Well, anyway, I'm not here to play the radio. And that was in that. What's the next song? Or was that it? That was it. That was the last song from that tape. Alright, well, and just for giggles, I played this tape and the other. Anyway, this won't play. I don't know why. Well, now it does. But it won't fast forward or rewind. See? It won't do that. Oh, it will do that. Anyway, that tape just won't play in this machine, but this one will. All day long. That's at the end, right? So, yeah. Wait. That. Rewind. I think I've coughed in either video now. Let's see here. Stop, play. Oh, I've had too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. There's the beginning. Put all the bass that wide. We got the center channel, the mid-tone. Crank up the bass, or the volume, I mean. So it sounds pretty good, but it's not mine, it's not for sale. Good day, bye-bye, thanks for watching. Gotta go. Alright, have had too much fun. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.